Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using YouTube Music, then just a quick video to let you know that the latest quarterly recap is now rolling out, and I cannot believe how fast this year is going. We are already 2 quarters down. And I noticed today that the March to May recap 2026 has now become available. And I like to post these recap videos because I find it very interesting to find out what my top songs were for that given time period in that latest quarter. Now, the quarterly recaps consist of your 50 top songs for that time period, where the yearly recaps, like 2025 recap, consist of 100 songs for the year. And these recaps started rolling out at the end of 2021 and have been going ever since. And the previous recap was December to February 2026. As mentioned, we now get March to May 26. And if we just scroll back a bit, just to take note that when YouTube Music adds a new recap, they take the last one out. So what I always suggest with these is save them as a playlist or add it to your library. So if it is removed from the recap, you still have it available to listen to, because I do find it very interesting to go back from time to time and listen to some of these to see what my top songs and artists were for that given time period. And over the year, we get 4 quarterly recaps, and then we get the yearly recap that rolls out at the end of the year. So we are already on the 2nd recap of this year. So guys, March to May recap 2026 is now available if you would be interested, and that would be on mobile and also desktop of YouTube Music. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.